Hello guys, good evening here in Pakistan and all over the world. Good morning, good evening, and then uh, meron akong I show you. This is Zamzam from Saudi Arabia in Alahom. Yes, ayan. And then this one is bangles like that from my madam and her family. And then this one is also is dates from Saudi Arabia, and also this one I like it like this. Okay, thank you, that's all. Thank you so much, madam. Thank you, I appreciate this so much. Huwag ka dyan. Thank you so much.